So, what's the next step once again?
Trailer.
Trailer made out of what?
Out of corn.
Okay.
Inside here.
Inside here. So
Not that, but inside.
okay, I fill this part with glue like this, and you stick the corn on top. When you're done with this part, I'll add some more glue. Is it super stinky or bearable? Because for me it's super stinky. I want to open the window.
It's bearable.
Bearable.
I don't feel it.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Well, you want to put it in, you put it in. Why should I?
No, usually it normally helps.
Normally, it's not home.
Yes.
It's not home. That's nothing happens normally.
Because we go to Montessori club, and that's the principle, the rule there.
I know.
If you spill something, yes, you should pick it up. Pick it up.
Pick it up. Yes, that's exactly what your mommy is doing. Yeah, and he's telling you what to do. Yeah.
But not when there are so many toys.
Yeah. So Andrew, how do you like the look of your 15-wheeler? Andrew?
It looks pretty good.
Pretty good. And what is inside the trailer? I wonder.
Come on, I want to it.
No, how will you draw? Would you tell me?
How many?
It is.
Ma'am,
It's a
everything that can be in IKEA.
like what?
Well,
What?
scissors,
Anything else?
cotton board.
Remember what was there in the IKEA catalog? What do they usually sell there? Do they sell toys?
Yeah.
Do they sell furniture?
Yeah.
What kind of furniture do they sell?
This is every kind of furniture.
Like what?
Everyone. Any furniture. They sell. They don't sell green cars. They sell clothes.
Clothes?
Yeah.
In IKEA?
Yeah, in ours.
No, they sell it in Mega, but IKEA is a place for furniture, for like home goods, for linen. That's a piece of cloth we put on bed. Pillowcases, curtains probably, but no clothes, no. That's not the specialty of IKEA, so there's no clothes in this trailer. Shall we go on?
Yeah.
Sticking your corn?
No more goodie left.
Okay. I will add some more. Yes. Okay, we'll build some. Apply some more glue in blobs. Then I spread the blobs evenly so that the sticky surface is wide enough and the glue layer is thick enough so that you can dip the corn seeds in a puddle of glue. That will help them stick nicely.
This tiny seat. Tiny steering wheel.
Tiny seat inside a tiny steering wheel. Wow, somebody's drilling. Yikes. I don't like the sound.
I also don't.
How much time do you think it takes to fill the trailer in?
I think it's 100 milliseconds.
Milliseconds or minutes or seconds? So 100 minutes is an hour and a half and a little bit. So something tells me we made it within 15 minutes. Probably even faster. If you don't count the breaks.
Oh,
What is it?
Mommy.
Yeah, listening?
No, we should. I would draw the breaks so close to the worms.
Okay. soon we're done with all these corns and seeds and leaves and stuff, you can do, you can draw the details, add whatever details you want with the fabric pens or
I forgot
pencil.
that.
Something tells me we should add more glue because the surface is getting thinner.